Guys, I saw someone on Reddit asking if it's okay to eat dry chia seeds. Please don't. I read this story where someone ate just a spoonful of dry chia seeds and ended up in the emergency room after the chia seeds blocked his throat. According to that article, these tiny seeds got stuck in the guy's throat and expanded using whatever little moisture they could find in there. Yes, the guy had to be rushed into the ER, where it took doctors quite some time to remove the chia seeds from his throat. So please soak your chia seeds overnight for at least 6 hours before consuming them. The best way to do this is by combining both yogurt and milk so that you get that creamy base and give your chia seeds enough liquid with which to soak and expand just right. You'll also get that amazing gelatinous texture that is beloved of the chia seeds. Then scoop your chia seed into a nice bowl and top it with some berries or fruit and enjoy. This pudding is yummy and it will keep you full for so long, and that is in addition to all the countless health benefits of chia seeds. So I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you for stopping by, and I hope to see you again in another video. Bye bye.